In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix League of Legends server down or not connecting. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network or give a first restart to a router if you're using Wi-Fi. Next, check the server status of Riot Game. For that, launch your preferred browser and type in Riot Game server status and search for it. Now navigate to its official website. Once you're over here, click on the drop down for League of Legends. If there are any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be restored from their end. If not, you can follow other steps. You can run League of Legends as well as Riot Games as an administrator. Then search for command prompt, click on Run as Administrator. Now type in the command prompt ipconfig/+dns and press enter. Then you can give a first restart to your PC and launch League of Legends. This might resolve the issue. Next, check if you are connected to VPN or proxy service, as these can block League of Legends from connecting to Riot server. Likewise, make sure you are using the latest version of the games, as outdated versions can cause connection server errors. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.